1 year ago, I bought this old ass building and the goal was to turn it into a commercial space so we can lease it onto businesses that want to be in this area. It has an entire playground in the back because it was an old daycare. And when I mean old, this building was built in the 1800s and this was around the times where the slaves were here. So this might have been used as one of the underground railroads. Since buying it, not much progress has been made. It's been really sitting because I've been focused on my Airbnb business, teaching my mentorship students, learning how to day trade, and posting this content. But now I realize that time is the only thing that I need to master, and I can balance all of these things. So the reason I'm recording this video here is because obviously you're my family and I want to take you along the journey with me. So I'm going to show you some of the progress that's already been made and a lot of the progress that already needs to get done. Follow me on this journey. But first, let me come take you on a joyride inside of this old ass place. So far on the exterior, we got some landscaping done, but we really need to get the roof and the fascia done because the insurance called and they said they're gonna drop us if we do not get this shit done ASAP. So that is first on the priority list. So the only room that was done in the house is this room, and it's used by business right now, but the only issue is the entire rest of the place has nothing. And this is because of some miscommunication that was between me, the person leasing this building, as well as the person renovating this business, which was my actual friend. This right here is one of the rooms. Keep in mind, this place was an old daycare, so a lot of this shit and the weird colors and just weird things along the house. But let me take you upstairs. So as we step into this fucking darkness, we're in the dungeon right now. We step up here, all the carpet has been ripped up. Basically, all we've done is demo. So a lot of demo has been done in this house, but not much has been done in terms of, renovation yet. So this room still needs done. That room still needs done. This bathroom still needs done. Those rooms still need done. So there's a lot of shit that needs done. And we've already ordered a couple things to kind of make this place more of a commercial space, but all of this is not going to matter if the place isn't renovated. And the only issue is we face additional problems because this shit is so old. It has heating problems, even though they're more of new windows, but a lot of shit needs to get done here. And it's gonna be a big project, but I'm sure and I'm confident that we can get it done. At least get it done to a sub-tier standard. So I brought my boy OT here because he does a lot of roofing. He's gonna be replacing the fascia because I just told you the insurance is going to fucking penalize us and get rid of us if we don't do it. How fucked is the roof on scale 1 to 10?
Place is fucked 8.
It's pretty fucked. So we got a lot of work to do, but I hope you follow along with the journey. But this is video 1 of this entire place, and we're gonna turn this into a cash flowing fucking machine. But as I leave you guys at the end of every single video, make sure you leave a comment, something you're grateful for, subscribe, and make sure that you pray to God. We're out of this bitch.